Hello friends, do you want to speak English fluently but don't have time? Today I will share with you 20-minute daily routine. Yes, only 20 minutes. If you follow this in just 2-3 months, English will become fluent and confident. Step number 1, first you will warm up. Take a deep breath and say with me, I am ready to practice. I will improve every day. I am confident this will prepare your mind for speaking. Step number 2, listen and repeat. Now listen to one short English clips, maybe a movie, lines, podcast or news. Pause after every line and repeat it exactly. This technique is called shadowing. It's improve pronunciation, accent and rhythm of speaking. Step number 3, mirror practice. Stand in front of mirror and talk about your day. For example, yesterday I went to market. Today I am practicing English. Tomorrow I will meet my friend. When you see yourself speaking, your confidence grows automatically. Step number 4, vocabulary practice. Take 2-3 new words daily, makes this 3 sentences with each words. Example words: improve. I want to improve my English. He is improving high skill. Practice improves confidence. This way you learn and use words naturally. Step number 5, quick summary. Finally, give a short summary of today's practice in English. Example: today I practiced for 20 minutes. I learned new words and spoke confidently. Tomorrow I will do even better. This helps you close your practice with motivation. Friends, this was the 20-minute daily English routine. If you do this daily within 2-3 months, you will see a big change in your fluency. Remember, consistency is the key. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips on English learning English. मुझे आशा है कि वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा होगा, तो लाइक करते जाओ